We've got another day of breaking news in the Idaho quadruple murder case. Latah County Prosecutor William Thompson has officially been given the green light to add 2 new attorneys to help with the case. And these are not just county prosecutors. That's why this is significant. They are Deputy Attorney General Jeff Nye and Deputy Attorney General Ingrid Beatty. Is it possible, Jessica, that the Attorney General's office could just take over this case? Because I've seen that happen with other cases in other states before. And I would imagine, couldn't it get kind of complicated having the local prosecutors working with these state folks?
You know, it isn't unprecedented that they've actually brought in the Special Assistant Attorney General in a murder case in Idaho. There was one previously where that actually happened, where the Assistant Attorney General said that they felt that it was their obligation to actually take over the case. But the courts in Idaho said no, that the statute says that they are there to assist the county prosecutor, and this is supposed to be a concurrent sort of jurisdiction. So I think what they did is they reached out and they said, we'd like your help. And they were willing to provide it. So I think that it's absolutely a positive step in the right direction that they're pulling on these additional resources.
The preliminary hearing is in June. It seems like they would really have to get these new attorneys up to speed, which, there's a lot of evidence we know in this case.
Absolutely. They're going to have to come up to speed, and they're probably all going to be working on different aspects of the case in certain ways. As we know, there's a lot of scientific evidence in this case. There's DNA. We know that there were some scientific evidence that was returned from the search warrants. We don't know what the results were, but we can presume that there's going to need to be some laying of the foundation, so to speak, where they bring in experts to testify, to get in that scientific evidence. We know there have been thousands of pages of disclosures, although we don't know what they are. We can at least see that much. So there is going to be a whole lot of evidence, and it's going to be a coordinated effort from all of these attorneys involved, for sure.